Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change address on Wise application. So now let's begin with the process. First of all, launch Wise application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now enter a PIN code that you used for your account safety. Now, once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, just at the top left corner of your screen, you can see a circle icon with your name's initials on it. So, simply tap on that circle icon. Now, once you are here at the top right corner of your screen, you can see the option of Details. Tap on that option. Now, once you are here, you can see your personal information. Now, simply scroll down below and you'll see your address. Now, in order to change your address, first of all, change your state from where you are. Okay, now let me change my state. Let me select a new state here. Here we go. Now, let me change my city as well. Now, I'm going to enter a new home address. Here we go. Now, make sure you also change the zip code of your new address. Here we go. Now, if you wish to, if you scroll up above, you can also change your country as well. Now, after doing all these steps, simply tap on the option of Save at the bottom of your screen in green color. Now, your address has successfully been updated. In order to check that, go back to Details. And you can see that your new address has been set. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.